Scorpions are fascinating creatures with a long history on Earth. They existed before the dinosaurs roamed our planet. These ancient predators have unique features that set them apart. Their armored bodies, 8 legs, and prominent pincers make them recognizable. Scorpions have adapted to survive in diverse environments. They are often associated with danger and darkness. Their nocturnal habits and venomous sting contribute to this perception. However, scorpions play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They help control populations of insects and other invertebrates. Scorpions have captivated human interest for centuries. They appear in mythology, folklore, and art across different cultures. Their image symbolizes power, danger, and resilience. Some cultures incorporate scorpions into traditional medicine and cuisine. Their ability to thrive in harsh environments is a testament to their evolutionary success. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of scorpions, nature's ancient predators. Scorpions belong to the class Arachnida, which also includes spiders, mites, and ticks. They are further classified into the order Scorpiones. This order contains over 2,500 described species. These species are grouped into various families and genera based on their physical characteristics and evolutionary relationships. The classification of scorpions is constantly evolving as scientists discover new species and conduct genetic analysis. The study of scorpion taxonomy helps us understand their evolutionary history and biodiversity. Scorpions exhibit a wide range of sizes, colors, and morphologies. Despite these variations, all scorpions share certain key characteristics that define them as members of the order Scorpiones. These include their segmented bodies, 8 legs, and venomous stinger. Scorpions have a distinctive body divided into 2 main parts, the cephalothorax and the abdomen. The cephalothorax is the fused head and chest region. It houses the scorpion's eyes, mouthparts, and pincers, also known as pedipalps. The pedipalps are used for capturing prey, defense, and sensory perception. The abdomen is further divided into 2 regions, the mesosoma and the metasoma. The mesosoma is the broader anterior part of the abdomen. It contains the scorpion's legs, respiratory organs, and reproductive structures. The metasoma is the long, slender tail that ends in the venomous stinger or telson. Scorpions use their venom to subdue prey and defend themselves against predators. The venom's potency varies among species. Some species have venom that is highly toxic to humans, while others have venom that is relatively mild. Scorpions range in size from less than an inch to over 8 inches in length. Scorpion venom is a complex mixture of toxins that primarily affect the nervous system. These toxins can cause a range of symptoms in humans, from localized pain and swelling to more severe effects like muscle spasms, difficulty breathing, and even paralysis. The severity of a scorpion sting depends on several factors. These include the species of scorpion, the amount of venom injected, and the individual's sensitivity to the venom. Children and the elderly are generally more susceptible to severe reactions. Medical treatment for scorpion stings may involve pain management, antivenom administration, and supportive care. Antivenom is most effective when administered soon after the sting. It's important to seek medical attention if stung by a scorpion, especially if experiencing severe symptoms. While scorpion stings can be dangerous, most species pose no significant threat to humans. Scorpions are found on every continent except Antarctica. They inhabit a wide range of habitats, from deserts and grasslands to forests and caves. Some species even live in intertidal zones where they are submerged in seawater during high tide. Scorpions are remarkably adaptable creatures. They can tolerate extreme temperatures, arid conditions, and limited food resources. Their ability to conserve water and withstand dehydration is crucial for their survival in dry environments. Scorpions often seek shelter under rocks, logs, or in burrows during the day. This helps them avoid predators and conserve moisture. They emerge at night to hunt for prey. Scorpions are primarily nocturnal animals, meaning they are most active at night. This behavior is an adaptation to avoid daytime predators and the harsh desert sun. The cooler night temperatures also provide a more favorable environment for hunting and foraging. Scorpions rely on their highly sensitive sensory organs to navigate and locate prey in the dark. Their pectines, located on the underside of their abdomen, are comb-like structures that detect vibrations and chemical cues in the environment. Their eyes, although not well developed for image formation, are highly sensitive to light and movement. This allows them to detect potential prey or predators even in low-light conditions. Their 8 legs and pedipalps are covered in sensory hairs that detect vibrations and chemical cues. This combination of sensory adaptations makes scorpions highly effective nocturnal hunters. Scorpions are carnivorous predators, feeding primarily on insects, spiders, and other invertebrates. Larger scorpion species may also prey on small vertebrates such as lizards, snakes, and rodents. Scorpions are ambush predators, patiently waiting for their prey to come within striking distance. They use their pincers to grab and subdue their prey. If the prey is large or struggles, the scorpion will inject venom to paralyze or kill it. Once the prey is immobilized, the scorpion uses its chelicerae, small claw-like mouthparts, to tear and crush the prey. Scorpions do not have teeth and cannot chew their food. Instead, they inject digestive enzymes into the prey's body, liquefying its tissues before sucking up the pre-digested fluids. Scorpions can survive for extended periods without food. Their slow metabolism and ability to store nutrients allow them to withstand food scarcity in their often harsh environments. Scorpions have a unique and fascinating reproductive process. Mating involves a complex courtship ritual that includes a dance where the male grasps the female's pincers and leads her around. The male then deposits a spermatophore, which is a packet of sperm, on the ground and guides the female over it so she can pick it up. Fertilization is internal, and the female scorpion can store sperm for extended periods. Scorpions are viviparous, meaning they give birth to live young rather than laying eggs. The gestation period can vary from several months to over a year, depending on the species. The female scorpion gives birth to a litter of young scorpions called scorplings. The scorplings are born white and soft-bodied. They climb onto their mother's back and remain there until their first molt. After their first molt, the scorplings disperse and begin to hunt for themselves. Second scorpions possess unique adaptations to thrive in harsh environments. They fluoresce under ultraviolet light. Their exoskeleton emits a blue-green glow under UV light. The function of this fluorescence is not fully understood. It may aid in mating, prey detection, or UV protection. Scientists use UV lights to study scorpions at night. Scorpions tolerate extreme temperatures, hot and cold. They withstand temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius and below freezing. Their temperature regulation and water conservation aid survival. Scorpions can survive long periods without food or water. Despite their venomous sting, scorpions have several natural predators. These include birds, reptiles, mammals, and even other scorpions. Larger scorpions may prey on smaller scorpion species. Scorpions rely on a combination of defense mechanisms to protect themselves from predators. Their primary defense is their venomous sting. They can quickly raise their tail and inject venom into a threat. The venom can deter predators or even paralyze or kill them. In addition to their sting, scorpions have other defensive adaptations. Their hard exoskeleton provides some protection against bites and stings. They can also use their pincers to defend themselves by pinching or striking at predators. As predators, they help control populations of insects and other invertebrates. As prey, they provide a food source for larger animals. Scorpions have held cultural significance for centuries, appearing in mythology, folklore, and art across different cultures. In some cultures, scorpions are seen as symbols of power, danger, and resilience. They are often associated with death and the underworld. In ancient Egypt, the goddess Serket was depicted with a scorpion on her head. She was believed to protect against venomous creatures and heal scorpion stings. In some Native American cultures, scorpions are seen as guardians and protectors of sacred sites. Scorpions have also been used in traditional medicine and cuisine in some cultures. Scorpion venom is being studied for its potential medicinal properties, including pain relief and anti-cancer effects. In some parts of Asia, scorpions are considered a delicacy and are consumed as food. Education and awareness about scorpion behavior and safety precautions can help minimize the risk of stings. Many scorpion species are facing threats due to habitat loss, climate change, and human activities. As human populations expand and encroach on natural habitats, scorpion populations are declining in some areas. Climate change is also impacting scorpion populations by altering temperature and rainfall patterns. These changes can affect scorpion distribution, behavior, and survival. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these ancient arachnids and their habitats. Protecting scorpion habitats through conservation measures such as establishing protected areas and promoting sustainable land management practices is essential. Educating the public about the importance of scorpions and their role in the ecosystem can also help promote conservation efforts. Further research on scorpion biology, ecology, and conservation status is needed to develop effective conservation strategies. By working together, we can ensure the survival of these fascinating and important creatures for generations to come. If you think that our content is helpful and informative, then make sure to hit like button and subscribe for more.